Hey everyone, and welcome to what I prepped today. So I'm going to go through this really fast. This is the third attempt on this video. I wasted like 20 minutes already making two different videos that I had to erase because of where Amazon puts my name and address when I'm making a video. So this one is going to be super fast. My mistake was your benefit. You get a really short video. I showed you before that I get these Kleenex antiviral facial tissues. I pay $6 for a 4-pack. I came on to check the price and order something else today. I looked them up. They are now $2 more per box. Amazon's not selling them. Amazon took away the buy box and you can't get them. So you know me, I don't give up. I started looking around a little bit. Let me show you what I found. I found the same tissues in an 18-pack for $25, which is a really good price. However, for those of you who are like me and hate to pay full price, you can come over here and add them to your subscribe and save and get them for $21.67. Now that reflects 15% off. If you add one, you get 5% off. If you add three, you'll get 10%. If you add 5 items, doesn't have to be 5 of these, you'll get them for 15% off and pay $21.67. So I have enough, and my subscribe and save is set up for March 15th arrival. Here's the thing, if you want them quicker, you can actually go ahead and move that date up to actually 9 days in the future. You have to give them time to get it to you. And once you add it to your subscribe and save, they're going to bill you for it, so they will have it. I've never added an item to my subscribe and save and not gotten it for the first time. Now, I have had them go not available like in the future after that, but that's not what I'm talking about here. So let me show you what happens after you click this to your add this to your subscribe and save. And keep pausing the video to check for my name because they put it everywhere. So I found, I added it to my subscribe and save, and they show you the regular price of $25.49, and then they say extra savings minus $6.75. I have no clue what that is, but then there's my subscribe and save at $3.82. I'm paying $14.92 by putting this on subscribe and save. That, if you haven't done the math, is less than $1 a box. Better than Dollar Tree, which you're not going to find this at the Dollar Tree anyway. So if you saw my title, if I haven't changed it yet, my plan for this is to actually use a clickbait title, but not a clickbait title. And only because I want you to get this special. I want you to try and go and get this. Either do the subscribe and save. I'm not sure if it'll just let you purchase it outright. So it involves a little work. And if you already don't have sub and save, it'll take a little longer. But if it's within your ability to get 5 of these, you'll get the 15% off here. But honestly, even if that was only 5 or 10%, 5% would only be $1 something here, but you might still get that $6.75 off, which is the savings we're after right now. So log on and try it, and this is just an amazing price, and I had to share it. Normally, I do my videos. Sometimes I'll make 3 or 4 videos in a day, and then I take them off the phone, put them on the laptop, edit them, upload them, and then schedule their release. But today's video, I stopped what was already uploaded, but I stopped the delivery of it because I want this to be today's delivery, because I just did this today, February 15th, 2020. Now, if you're watching this video way after that, or if this sale is no longer there, at least this is still an example for you of how you can always find these sales. And I have had this extra savings thing happen before, but honestly, I've only had that happen when I clicked a link that said, get these extra savings today only, a percentage off. And I've never had it just pop up out of the blue, which is really a nice thing. So another thing is, once you get your subscribe and save delivery, the price, this special savings will disappear. This won't disappear, and this price may go up and it may go down. The point is, you can get this special price one time, you're not locked into anything on the Amazon Subscribe and Save. You can cancel it anytime. So I hope this video really helps somebody, and I hope somebody is actually able to take advantage of this great price. Okay, guys, let me know if you got the price. Let me know what you did, how it worked out for you, and be blessed.